A businessman went to Bangkok to promote his products. Somebody told him that a restaurant nearby, not very far from the hotel where he was staying, serves the best barbecue star. Barbecue star is very popular delicacy in Thailand that people enjoy eating since the beginning of time. He tried it and he loved it so much that he had it 3 or 4 more times before leaving the country, not knowing what kind of meat barbecue star was, until somebody told him that star is a kind of meat that is spelled backward. Apparently it's very, very tasty, tender and juicy. Meat just fall off the bones and melt in your mouth. How good is it? Some people say it's bone-sucking delicious. Bon appetit!